Good morning, children. Welcome back again. Do you remember what we did yesterday? We learned about my house and my family. Today we will again revise my house and my family. My house. This is a roof. This is a wall. This is a door. This is a window. This is a path. This is a fence. This is a garage. This is a car. My family. All the people stay together in one house is called family. This is a small family. A small family has father, mother and one or two children. Father and mother are also called parents. They both are brother and sister. They all stay in one house. This is a small family. This is a big family. A big family has grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and 2 and 3 children. They all stay in one house. Big family. Now I will explain you about joint family. Joint family has grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and their child, uncle, aunt and their children. They all stay in one house. This is joint family. Children, now we will do one activity related to my house. Here we have a different parts of house. Now we will try to make a house. First we will make a wall. Now what is this? This is a roof, the top of the house. We will place it here. Very good. Now what is this? This is a door. Place it here. This is a window. Place it here. Very good. Now what is this? This is a fence. Place it here. Our house is ready. Children, yesterday I gave you worksheets. Now today I will give you solution of worksheets. This is our matching worksheet. Now tell me children, what is this? This is a roof. We will match it with a roof. Very good. Now this is a door. Find where is a door. We will match it. This is a window. We will match it with window. This is a fence. Let's start to solve this worksheet. Grandfather with a walking stick. Find where is the walking stick? Here. So, match it. Grandmother with a woolen ball. Where is the woolen ball? Here. So, match it. Mother with a purse. Find where is the purse? Here. So, match it. Father with a newspaper. Match it. Brother with a car. Where is the car? Here. So, match it. Sister with a doll. Where is the doll? Here. So, bye-bye. Have a nice day.